let's see how to lock a pad screen so it doesn't move. In the first step, open Settings. Now go to Accessibility. Later, choose Touch. In the next step, open Settings. Now select Control Center. After that, add Guided Access. In the next step, open Settings, then go to Accessibility, then switch on Guided Access. In the next step, launch the app to be locked. Next, press the side or home button 3 times. Next, tap on Start. In the next step, open Settings. Later, go to Accessibility. Later, set up a passcode for Guided Access. You are good to go.